Farmers, agricultural planners, and land managers deal with a simple but frustrating problem. How do you accurately map farmland and track crop details across multiple plots using satellite imagery? This is where MAPOG helps with overlay satellite images, draw farm boundaries, and store crop details. Start by going to story.mapog.com and clicking Create New Map. Set the map template as category, add a name and description, and click Create to save your map. Inside the map interface, click Replace to update the project logo if needed. To overlay satellite imagery, go to Process Custom Location and select Georeferencing. Upload your satellite image in JPG or PNG format, then click Next. Enter an image label, then search your precise location using search by coordinates. Choose the drawing mode, 4 points, rectangle, or square. Click Start Drawing, and mark the area on the map. Now adjust the overlay by dragging the image and matching nearby objects like roads or landmarks. Use tools like opacity, rotate, and scale to align the satellite image accurately. When everything matches perfectly, click Save, and your satellite image will overlay on the map with precision. Next, we'll map individual farmland areas. Go to Process Custom Location and click Add Manually. Then open Select Custom Location Settings and create a new template called Farmland. Choose a color and set the geometry as polygon, since farmland covers an area. Now add useful attributes like crop type, sowing and harvesting date, soil type. Each attribute can use types like text, date, or select. Enable contributor access, so contributors can update farm information directly. Then click Save. Select the farmland template from the drop-down. Using the Draw Polygon tool, mark the farmland boundaries by adding points along the edges of the field. Once the polygon is complete, click Conform. Open Edit Attribute to assign suitable color and height, and adjust zoom, rotate, and pitch view for better visualization. Add information like farm name, description, images, and crop details. Then save. Repeat this process for all farmland areas. To make the map easier to read, use the Label feature option. Choose the label attribute, customize the color, size, and font, and save to display labels on the map. You can also organize farmland using Group by Attributes, which groups locations based on selected fields. With the Filter tool, display only specific selected farm locations. And using Sort by Distance, search any location or use your live location to see the proximity of nearby farms. When the map is ready, go to Preview and Share. You can keep it private, invite collaborators by adding users and assigning roles, or switch it to public. Once public, you can share the map link or embed it on a website. With MAPOG, farmers, planners, and researchers can visually organize agricultural data and make better decisions. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.